Hey, we just hit 10k. Remember this post when I said when I hit 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to color my hair? So let's get into it.
Guys, yeah. Hi guys, meet my beautiful good friend. We are here in Awassa in the mall, but we don't know the place. She's also new to Awassa, but we are figuring out things together.
I'm Ethiopian, but I'm new for Awassa.
Yeah, she's Ethiopian. Please do not confuse. I look more Ethiopian than her though.
Oh shit!
So this is actually a very interesting video because you guys, I'm about to transform. I'm going to the salon, or we are looking for a salon so I can make my hair, and I think that's actually pretty interesting to do and to see, and I can't wait to see how everything goes out. I don't love going to the salon because it's a lot of thinking, a lot of processing.
We are looking for the salon, guys. We don't even get it. I don't know where it is. They met someone.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, listen.
So she's looking for the salon.
Hey, it's the next
floor?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, it's again.
So I was telling people another reason I don't love doing my hair is because I also get confused on what should I do, what will I look good on. So,
Today,
but she's recommending me today. Yeah, so it's going to be interesting. I can't wait to see, and I can't wait you guys to see the final look of the new Damaris here in Ethiopia. So see you guys when we find the salon.
Being a lady entails being able to handle our different compartments and situations and areas of lives that we have, and hair is basically one of the main areas. And in today's video, I'm also going to share with you what are my perspective on hair in relation to beauty.
Here is Damaris.
Yes, I know we all have different perspective and different opinion on different aspects of life, and that's why I want to give a warning on anything I will say regarding the issue of me and hair and beauty, that it is all my opinion and my perspective of life as of now, which is actually open to change in any time on my course in this life. So let's get into it.
Oh my god, this is going to be interesting.
I grew up in a loving and very caring family who told me that I am beautiful, and I grew up having the confidence of being beautiful, and despite anything I was still very, very beautiful. So my beauty is not necessarily defined by how I look, necessarily by my hair, how my hair today looks. I already have the self-belief that I am beautiful. So in my course of life, I got myself into so many situations, even like when I was in studying and schooling, where most of the time I'm always like competing with men. Apart from that, most of the time I've had my hair short, and that can account for why I don't necessarily have lots of interest in hair.
Her hair, oh my god. Oh my god, you have a lot of hair, and it's so long. Oh my goodness.
It's small.
Oh my god. Look, her hair is so long.
It's not that long.
Yeah, just as you can see me comparing my hair to her hair, this is it about life. We all love comparing, and such situations lead us to doing things not necessarily because we love those things, but because we want to please the people around us, and we want the people around us to be impressed, and for the comparison ratio to relatively match.
So that means I'm not swimming today.
Yes.
Oh,
You want to switch from? No, it's okay. You already switched yesterday.
it's okay.
Apart from comparison, another very important thing is priorities. Now, it takes a lot for one to be able to maintain their hair in a specific way. So don't get me wrong, all this time I have not come to the salon. I just wash my hair from my house with my shampoo. When I go to places, I do my own hair, and I don't necessarily visit a salon, or even I found beauty in natural hair. So in terms of priority, I had to be like, you know what, do I prefer being natural in a way? If I want to get into something like adventure, a place like swim at a specific place, I can be able to do that, and I will not be limited by some things like necessarily things like hair. So that is why hair is not necessarily a priority for me, because I want to be very flexible in whatever place I go to.
That's 400 per.
3400 bir?
Now, this is my perspective before we even get to answering questions like I am an adventurous lady. I could be anywhere. I don't have the tools. I don't have the time. Maybe I don't have the money, or maybe it starts raining, or I am in a nicey, cool place. So I must say I am very, very grateful that you guys watch me and enjoy my content despite how good or bad my hair looks.
My ear is already hot before I get to the heat phase.
The heat comes, like you have no idea how it feels.
Really?
In life, do you ever sit down and ask yourself why you do some things and this way and not necessarily in another way at a specific time and all that? So in my life, I have made it my business that everything I do has some intention, or at least I have thought through it. And therefore, for me, I found I might be necessarily taking care of my hair, spending lots of money to necessarily please people, and thus I found it not necessarily a priority for me. I do clean my hair, I clean my face and all that. I do the basics that I find I need for my life and for me to keep moving on. And I'm glad that I took you along with me in this journey. And now, because hair is not a big deal for me and we all have understood, let's talk about coloring my hair. Now, after I said I was going to color my hair, it brought out two different types of people. Those who told me they like it that way without me coloring, and the other who told me I should go ahead and color a funny color like blue or red. And I'm here to take in your request of me. I am yet to color my hair, and I'm here to listen to what you might want me to put on my hair. Are you of the opinion color it? If yes, please leave it in the comment section down below together with what color you want me to dye. If no, let me know why.
Oh my god. This is the end product and I like
Come
it.
on here.
Yeah, she's still holding
Yeah.
hers.
It's a heart. If you don't know this thing,
Okay. Awesome. See how bouncy the hair looks like. Oh my god, I can't believe this.
it's our first time, guys. After 2 years,
Finally.
No. I made a mistake. After 4 years.
Yeah, it's 4 years actually.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I also made my nails and look at her hair. Looks so good. Oh, I can't wait to see your end product. I'll be jealous. In the products. Oh my god, the
But you
after.
are gonna post this
Oh my
out
god. See her hair. Just look at her hair. And this is natural hair. She just colored her hair. Oh my god. Looks so good.
Guys, here we are finally
Well transformed.
well transformed after it took like an hour, right?
Yeah.
Above an hour actually, so we are here finally.
Oh my god, you should be a vlogger now. Look how you
Look
do
at-
it so naturally.
She really has a nice hair, but like the problem is she don't treat it well, so
I'm glad.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. This was so thoughtful.
look, you guys should thanks to me because like I'm the one who bring her there. So
Yeah. She had your complaints of me having bad hair.
yeah,
And she was like, okay, let's do something about it.
yeah.
And here we are. We are looking fly, very beautiful. Yeah. And I did my nails too.
Look at her nails. It really looks nice.
I'm glad to have taken up this transformation. Let's also see how long I can maintain the hair.
So this is me later. I don't know why we have some redness, but yeah, this is me later. And I just got ready. My hair, I can't believe I'm putting my hands in between my hair, and it's just flowing flawlessly. I like this look. I like it. The fact that this is also my natural hair. I'm just in love. Yeah, so I hope you like this video. I hope you learned something about me, or at least you see me transform to be a beautiful young lady. And we are just going to call it a day for now, and I will see you in my next video, sending you love and happiness in this month of love. Bye guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, because we are growing. Bye for now.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces. all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before